Could a $9 secret page really turn a dead affiliate campaign into a $1,469 profit machine in just 7 days? It's what creator of the secret page have to say. Stay tuned, because in this secret page explanation, I'll show you how it works, who it's for, and how to get exclusive bonuses. Hey, welcome! I'm back with another honest affiliate review. If you've ever struggled to get traffic, conversions, or commissions online, this might be the easiest system ever in 2025. And the best part? It works on autopilot. Free traffic, no hosting, no monthly fees, no tech skills needed. The Secret Page is a beginner-friendly affiliate system created by Will Allen and his team. It's built around one key concept: adding a simple secret page to any affiliate campaign. That single tweak can turn your old lifeless offers into automated commission earners. Using built-in free traffic sources, you get step-by-step video training, a real case study showing $1,469.13 earned in 7 days, plug-and-play templates, no writing, no design needed, a free traffic system that starts sending clicks in hours, and yes, it works with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and Digistore 24.
Now let's hear from the creator of the Secret Page, what they have to say.
Hello here, and welcome to the Secret Page. I am so excited to bring this to the community. Long story short, Max and I saw what Will was doing, not just seeing him crushing all these affiliate promotions for others, but he did it for us several times. Who is this Will guy? Will's been around, he's been in the game for a while, but all of a sudden it's like, why is Will crushing all these promos? What's going on here? We reached out to Will, and he broke down not only the game for us, but also the secret page, the secret sauce as to why he is crushing it. And in the end, it is so simple. So the proof is in the pudding. He's absolutely crushing it, and you can do the exact same thing for low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket commissions. Max, I know you're pumped. We're seeing the results ourselves now, not just seeing what Will's doing, and now the community can also profit from this.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really excited about this product, that we can bring something like this to you. So you should definitely join us. And yeah, that's all I can say. Super exciting stuff, guys. And Will?
Yeah, absolutely. I've been at this affiliate game for a while, and nothing that I've done has given me the power that the Secret Page has. It just dramatically increases my conversions on every promotion that I do, from small ticket all the way up to big ticket products. It's really dramatically made a huge difference and made me a lot of money, to be perfectly honest with you.
Yeah, so Will's crushing it, we're crushing it, and we want you to crush it. So click the link below, get inside, the price is a no-brainer, and start crushing it with the Secret.
Now, you can see the real results, the real testimony in their webpage. And also, to set up the Secret Page, no email list, no paid ads, no followers is needed. Within 48 hours, you'll see real clicks and a few commissions coming in. Was it life-changing money? Not yet. But for under $10, this is one of the fastest, most beginner-friendly setups you'll ever see that actually drives traffic and results.
Here's what I liked. It's plug and play, even if you're brand new. You get real case studies, guaranteed affiliate approval to promote 4 extra offers, and it works entirely on free traffic. There's even a 30-day money-back guarantee. On the downside, you'll still need to take action. It's not a push-button miracle. And while the traffic sources are solid for beginners, advanced marketers might find them basic. The price is also limited time and goes up after launch. If you grab the Secret Page through the link below, you'll get an exclusive bonus stack worth over $2,000. You'll get 5 AI prompts to multiply your conversions using ChatGPT and Gemini, their private Traffic Snowball Checklist for daily free clicks, an affiliate funnel template that integrates perfectly with the Secret Page, and priority email support if you get stuck. These bonuses disappear as soon as the launch ends, so don't miss out.
This system is perfect if you're new to affiliate marketing, if you bought courses before that didn't deliver, or if you just want a simple way to start earning commissions fast without spending on ads.
If you already have advanced campaigns, it might feel too basic, but for beginners, it's a golden starting point. To get started, just click the link in the description or pinned comment, grab the secret page before the price increases, and access your bonuses inside their members area. It's simple, fast, and beginner-proof. The secret page is one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly affiliate systems of 2025. It's affordable, fast to deploy, and backed by a full refund guarantee. If you've been waiting for something simple that actually works, this might be it. Click below now to grab the secret page before launch pricing disappears. And remember, the bonuses and guaranteed approval vanish once the timer hits 0. This is your chance to turn dead campaigns into commission machines. Just go for it. See you inside, and we'll talk about this later. Goodbye now. And if you like this kind of DIY explanation videos, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Till then, stay safe and see you next time.